What if I told you that the newest biohacking trend is actually about 10,000 years old and it relates to you having a homestead? Let's talk about why homesteaders might just be the world's original biohackers.
Survival homestead teaching farm. Hey, hey, bless the dirt, bless the thorn. Survival homestead teaching farm. Oh, oh, we learn to live and live some more. Hard nights, sweet corn, hands rough, hearts warm. Survival homestead teaching farm.
People today are spending thousands of dollars on red light panels, grounding mats, expensive supplements, cold plunges, blue light blocking glasses, standing desks, sleep trackers, and wearable devices that tell them when they are stressed, which somehow stresses them even more. Meanwhile, Grandpa was out feeding chickens, chopping firewood, drinking water from a well, walking 5 miles before breakfast, and lived into his 90s without ever hearing the word biohacking. Now, don't get me wrong, I do have these gadgets in my office, but I can get the benefits from these things by simply being like Grandpa. And here's the funny part. Some modern biohackers are paying big money to imitate the lifestyle that previous generations were trying to escape. So let's jump right in. Biohack number one: nature is the world's best gym. One of the biggest problems today is that we have made movement optional. We sit in our cars, we sit at work, we sit while eating, then we drive to the gym so we can walk on the treadmill. Think about that for a second. We literally drive somewhere so we can pretend to walk somewhere. Homesteaders don't have to schedule exercise. Need firewood? Exercise. Need to haul compost? Exercise. Need to weed the garden? Exercise. Need to chase the goat that escaped again? Congratulations, you've just completed today's sprint workout. Homestead work is functional movement. You're squatting, lifting, pulling, pushing, carrying, walking, climbing. It's the kind of movement our bodies were designed to do. Biohack number two: circadian rhythm. Our ancestors didn't need an app to tell them it was bedtime. The sun handled that. Wake with the sunrise, work in daylight, wind down after sunset. Today, we stay under LED lights until midnight while binge watching one more episode that somehow turns into four. Then we wonder why we can't sleep. Your brain was designed to use sunlight as its instruction manual. Morning sunlight helps regulate hormones. It improves sleep, supports mood, and boosts energy. A homestead naturally keeps you connected to the rhythms your body expects. No subscription required. Biohack number three: grounding. Now, I've done a video on just grounding. If you haven't seen it, I highly suggest you go back and view it. Grounding is one of those topics people either love or immediately roll their eyes at. But here's something everyone can agree on. When was the last time you actually walked barefoot outside? Most of us spend nearly every waking moment separated from the earth by rubber shoes, concrete floors, carpet, hardwood, and asphalt. Homesteaders? They're outside constantly, walking in the grass, working in the garden, standing in the dirt. Even if you aren't convinced by every grounding claim, spending more time outside is almost never a bad idea. Fresh air beats recycled office air every single time. Biohack number four: sunshine. Some people are actually afraid of the sun. Now, I'm not saying go outside and bake yourself like a Thanksgiving turkey, but we're become so conditioned to put on sunscreen and avoid sunlight that many people hardly get any at all. The sun helps your body produce vitamin D. It supports immune function, mood, bone health, hormone balance, all of these things. A homestead naturally encourages healthy sun exposure because, well, there's stuff to do outside. The tomatoes don't harvest themselves. Although, if someone invents self harvesting tomatoes, let me know. Biohack number 5, growing nutrient dense food. This one is huge. Food starts with soil. Soil, healthy plants, healthy animals, healthy people. Unfortunately, much of today's food is grown in depleted soil. Homesteaders have an opportunity to improve that. Composting, crop rotation, cover crops, healthy microbial life. All of these contribute to healthier food. This is one reason I love hair tissue mineral analysis. This is what I do. Minerals matter. Your body can't make them. You have to get them from your food, and your food gets them from the soil. See the connection? Healthy soil, healthy plants, healthy people. Nature has been explaining this for thousands of years. We're just finally listening. If you would like to understand more about HTMA, hair tissue mineral analysis, go to my website at www.theweeddoc.net. Biohack number 6, less processed food. When you grow your own food, something interesting happens. You suddenly realize how much work goes into producing a tomato, which also makes you wonder why the grocery store can sell tomato-flavored snack chips for $3. Real food starts looking pretty amazing. Garden vegetables, fresh eggs, homemade bread, fresh herbs, bone broth, fermented vegetables, raw honey. These foods nourish your body in ways ultra-processed foods simply cannot match. Biohack number 7, cold exposure. Cold plunges are everywhere now. People are filling horse troughs with ice and posting dramatic videos online. Homesteaders have been getting cold for free forever. Winter chores, cold mornings, snow, rain, hauling water, working outside. Sometimes the cold finds you before you've even had your coffee. Moderate cold exposure has become an interesting area of wellness research. Our ancestors certainly weren't climate controlled 24 hours a day. Biohack number 8, stress reduction. Now, before every homesteader laughs at me, yes, homesteading has stress. Animals escape, weather happens, equipment breaks, the garden gets attacked by bugs. The rooster decides 4:30 a.m. is the perfect reasonable wake-up time. But it's a different kind of stress. Many people today deal with constant digital stress. Emails, notifications, social media, traffic, deadlines. A garden doesn't send notifications. The tomatoes are not judging you. Well, unless you forget to water them. Working outside often brings a different pace that many people find incredibly calming. Biohack number 9, purpose. One thing researchers consistently find in studies of long-lived populations is that people often have purpose. Homesteading is full of purpose. Animals depend on you, gardens depend on you, your family depends on you. Every day, your work matters. That sense of purpose is powerful. Biohack number 10, better sleep. After spending all day outside, moving, lifting, digging, walking, breathing fresh air, getting sunshine, eating real food, you might discover something remarkable. You're actually tired at bedtime. Not scroll social media until 1 in the morning tired, actually sleepy. Your body appreciates living the way it was designed. Here's the funny part. Modern biohackers are buying gadgets to recreate what homesteaders accidentally do every day. Grounding mats or walking outside barefoot. Standing desks or go build a fence. Vitamin D lamps or spend 20 minutes in the morning garden. Expensive functional movement classes or move a wheelbarrow full of compost. $500 cold plunge or forget to wear gloves while filling the chicken water in January. One costs a monthly payment, the other gives you tomatoes. Now, don't misunderstand me. I'm not saying everyone needs to quit their jobs, buy 50 acres, and raise goats, although goats will certainly keep life interesting. The point is this: our bodies evolved alongside nature. The farther we drift from that environment, the more often we have to invent complicated ways to recreate it. You don't have to become a full time homesteader. Plant a garden, raise a few chickens if your area allows, spend more time outside, walk barefoot in the grass, grow herbs, compost, watch the sunrise, eat more real food, move your body with purpose. Sometimes the best biohack isn't found in a laboratory, it's waiting in your own backyard. I would love to know which homestead activity has improved your health the most. Gardening? Chickens? Beekeeping? Simply spending more time outdoors? Until next time, remember, sometimes the oldest solutions are still the best ones. SHTF Survival Homestead Teaching Farm thanks you for watching this video. Please continue to help us help you by liking, sharing, and subscribing.
Survival Homestead.